division by 9. This is a very easy technique. In this technique, we are going to learn how to divide any number by 9 very quickly. Say the number is a two-digit number AB, and I have to divide AB by 9. Then I will write A, and in the next step A plus B. A is going to be the quotient and A plus B is the remainder. Let us take an example. Let me write the number 53 divided by 9. So here 5 is the quotient and 5 plus 3, that is 8, is the remainder. Clear? Let us take another example.
Sir, could you take something which could divide by 9, like 81? What happens if its division is by 9?
Yes, I will take many examples. Just wait a second. 26 divided by 9. So 2 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder. Let us take 63 divided by 9. Whenever I get 6 and here I get 9. So whenever I divide any number by 9, I cannot get the remainder 9. Remainder 9 means?
Yes, sir.
So this will go as carry over here. This becomes 7 and the remainder is 0. This question I specially took on demand, otherwise it could have came late. Now let us take another example. 96 divided by 9. So 9 and 15. Now here you see 15, right? So this 1 will come to this side. This becomes 10 and then units place has to be increased by 1. So I can write it in words. Whenever a remainder is 9 or greater than 9, now the sum of two digits cannot exceed 19, right? So whenever the remainder is 9 or greater than 9, we take 1 as carry to quotient side and increase the remainder by 1. Increase the units digit of remainder by 1. Now this makes sense. Please note down till here. Okay, done writing. We will do few more examples. 23 divided by 9. So 2 and 5. Now what if the number is a 3-digit number? 2 divided by 9. So I will write 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, and then 5 plus 2, 7. So 25 is quotient and 7 is the remainder. Let me take more example. 3, 1, 2 divided by 9. So 3, then 3 plus 1, 4, then 4 plus 2, 6. So 34 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Let me take more examples with some big digits. Let the number be 927. 6 divided by 9. So here 9, then 9 plus 1, 9 plus 2, 11, then 11 plus 6, 17. Now this becomes 10 and 1 and 17. Still in the remainder side you see that the number is greater than 9. So 1 will come this side, this becomes 102, and then this units place will be increased by 1. Quotient and remainder. I will take few more examples. 1785 divided by 9. So this is 1, then 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 5 is 21. So now first I will send this one as carry to this side. This becomes 196 and 21. Now 2 will come this side. This becomes 198, and then this one has to be increased by 2. This becomes 3. So 198 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Is the technique clear?
Yes,
sir.
Very nice. Just note down these examples. Okay, few more examples before I give you questions to solve. 648 divided by 9. Now this is 6, then 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 10 plus 8 is 18. A very special case. Now when you simplify here, you will get 70 and 18. This is clear. This one will come this side. This becomes 7. So 7, 0 and 18. Now 1 will come this side. This becomes 71. And 8 plus 1 is again 9. So 9 will come this side. This becomes 72. And the remainder is 0. Is this question clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In this case, we are getting again 9, and 9 is a very special case. When we get 9, we send a carry this side, and this becomes 0. Okay.
Sir?
Last example from my side before I give you question to solve yourself. Seven, 4, 7 divided by 9. This is 7, then 7 plus 4 is 11, and 11 plus 7 is 18. This becomes 8, 1 and 18. 1 will come this side, this becomes 82 and 9. Again this one will come this side, 83 and 0. So 83 is quotient and 3 is the remainder. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Just note down these two examples as well. Okay, now try these questions yourself. The first one is 2, 3, 4, 1 divided by 9. Give answer in chat privately to me. Arpit, try again. Correct answer, Sammy. Correct answer, Arpit. Waiting for other answers. Jayesh, correct answer. Arna, you haven't given me remainder. Your quotient is correct. Correct answer, Garvik. The next question is 5642 divided by 9. Correct answer, Sammy. Correct answer, Monish. Correct answer, Arpit.
Sir, this was a bit complicated.
Okay. I will solve it on board and see how complicated it is.
Sir, to remember all of the numbers in our mind, that was a bit tough.
Yes, Jayesh, correct answer. Garvik, correct answer. Arna, waiting for your answer. Okay, let's see. This is 5. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. Then 11 plus 4 is 15. And then 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay, so 1 will come here, this becomes 6. This 1 will come here, this becomes 2, 5, and 17. Now 1 will come this side, 6 to 6, and this digit will be increased by 1. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. 6 to 6 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next question for you is 21413 divided by 9. Arpit, correct answer. Samriddhi, correct answer. Arna, correct answer. Jesh, try again. Monish, try again.
Sure, sir. That's
Jesh, correct answer. Okay, now let me do it on board. This is 2, then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So this 1 will come this side, this is 2, 3, 7, 9 and the digit at units place will be increased by 1. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Clear?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
to everyone? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will be sharing with you a practice sheet.
Thank you, sir.